a growth phase and expansion. So we knew we needed to digitalize some of our processes, because everybody knows, to be efficient, you need to automate as much as you can. So one of the main challenges facing SMEs is the cost. There's great solutions available on the market, but they just financially, they're far out of the reach of smaller, medium companies. So we did a lot of research and we found Cosmotech. Had an initial telephone conversation with QT Gupta, and explained briefly what exactly our challenges were, what we hoped to get out of the project, and a ballpark budget. And she assured me that there were options available for us. So we went to the next phase. QT came on site and she had a more detailed look at what it was, what challenges we were facing, what we were trying to achieve.
Genuinely the most positive experience I've witnessed throughout my professional career from a service provider. Not only did QT and her team understand the issues that we face, but they also, I suppose, introduced several further efficiencies that we could implement as part of the same project. I suppose the envisionment and QT's ability to actually envision the process from start to finish was unparalleled from what we had, I suppose, experienced. Furthermore, her ability to actually translate that, I suppose, from very technical jargon into layman's terms was priceless for myself.
As a startup, we wanted to work with another startup or an SME that understood us as a company. As an environmental agency, we were very conscious of our brand and how our brand was perceived by other businesses we wanted to do business with. When it came to developing our website, we chose Cosmotech because they saw our vision. They too, as a startup, as an SME, knew the challenges we faced, were able to provide a solution for us in terms of the type of platform we would need to use. We were more than happy with Cosmotech and what they delivered. They delivered on our brand, on time, on schedule, and on budget. So thank you, Cosmotech, for the work you've done with Pragmatica.
So we had our initial telephone consultation with QT Gupta. We discussed in brief what our pain points were, what we were trying to solve, and our desired outcomes, and a ballpark figure for our budget. QT was very responsive. She assured us that there were plenty of options available for us and she could definitely help us. So we moved to the next stage and we booked a call for her to come and do a site visit.
We quickly realised that we weren't dealing with a traditional service provider, and instead we had found a partner that was as motivated as we were to implement the right changes, but also for the right reasons. So absolutely overwhelmingly positive.
We would recommend Cosmotech because from the very start of the project, they were able to work with us from the start of the project on a weekly basis, providing updates on what it is we needed in terms of content. They really saw our vision. So we have a website, we have many pages within the website. The structure, the design was everything that we had in mind, and they delivered on time, on budget.
So if anybody else was asking me what I would say about Cosmotech and my experience of having worked with them, I would have no hesitation whatsoever in recommending them for any digital solutions or automation of processes that you're looking to achieve. They were fantastic to deal with from the very first phone call right up until the project was closed. Their after sales was outstanding, which really set them apart from other solution providers. A month or so after our project was finished, we had a follow-up call just to check that everything was okay. And that really demonstrated to me just how passionate they are about what they do. So yeah, highly recommend them. They're fantastic.